By the end of this video, you will know how to set up a billable hours target per user in Clio Manage. Start by opening Clio Manage and going to Settings. This is where account and user level configuration options are stored, including the performance details tied to a specific user profile. Once you are in Settings, look for Profile and open it. Within the Profile area, select the Personal Performance tab. This tab contains the fields used to define billing expectations and work totals for the user. When the Personal Performance tab is open, begin with the Billing Rate field. Enter the user's hourly rate here. This rate should match the amount you want associated with that user for billing target calculations. Make sure the value is entered in the correct format for your account before moving on, since this field affects how the target is measured against the user's recorded work over time. Next, move to the Target Billings field. In this field, enter the annual billing target you want to assign to the user. This is the total billable amount you want the user to aim for across the year. Enter the figure carefully so it reflects the intended annual goal. Since this target is annual, it should represent the full year rather than a monthly or quarterly amount. After that, find the Working Days field and enter the number of working days for the year. This value helps define the structure of the user's performance target based on how many days they are expected to work during that annual period. Be sure the number you enter matches your firm's calendar or the user's expected schedule for the year you are setting. Once the working days are entered, set the fiscal year end date. This determines the endpoint for the target period and aligns the user's billing target with the fiscal calendar you want Clio Manage to use. Pay attention to the date you select here, especially if your fiscal year does not end on the last day of the calendar year. With the billing rate, target billings, working days, and fiscal year end all entered, review the information on the Personal Performance tab. This is a good point to confirm that each field reflects the intended annual target setup for that user. If anything needs to be corrected, update it before saving. When everything looks right, click Save Performance Information. This saves the target and applies the performance details to the user profile in Clio Manage. After the save is complete, the billable hours target information will remain connected to that user's personal performance settings for future reference within the system. The user's billable hours target is now set in Clio Manage.